Evan B. Forde, born 1952, still alive today as of January 9th, 2022. African-American oceanographer. Evan Forde's work at the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, has included research and experimentation, but he has also been active in the organization's Equal Opportunity Program. He is a frequent speaker at Miami area schools, and for 3 years he wrote a science column for Ebony Jr. magazine. Forde's interest in the ocean perhaps stems from his having grown up in coastal Florida. He was born in Miami in 1952 and attended local schools. In 1970, he went to Columbia University, where he majored in geology with an oceanographic specialty. And received a bachelor's degree in 1974. Forde had his first experience with NOAA, a branch of the U.S. Department of Commerce, while a student at Columbia in the summer of 1973. He worked at NOAA, as a scientific technician. Upon his graduation, he won a NOAA fellowship for graduate studies. He became a full-time NOAA employee and returned to Columbia for his master's degree. He studied at Columbia's Lamont Doherty Earth Observatory and received his master's in marine geology in 1976. He became a part of NOAA's Ocean Chemistry Division in 1982. Forde's work involves examining how changes in the environment affect the ocean. His research showed, for example, how sediment caused by oil drilling off the Atlantic coast could have a negative ecological impact, and resulted in the Department of the Interior's decision to sharply curtail offshore drilling rights. He has also examined how the environmental process of global warming has affected the content of carbon dioxide in the ocean. He has won several government awards for his work. Forde was the first black oceanographer to participate in submersible dives aboard research ships, known as research submersibles. Throughout his career, he has been actively involved in creating more opportunities in science for minorities. As manager of NOAA's Community Outreach Program, he has given many speeches to students in the Miami area, in which he encourages young minority students to explore science as a career. From 1980 to 1983, he wrote the Science Corner column, which outlined various experiments for Ebony Jr. He serves on the Equal Employment Opportunity Committee of NOAA's Atlantic Oceanographic and Meteorological Labs, and serves as the committee's webmaster. He is actively involved in school and church in his home of North Miami. Forde and his wife Priscilla, whom he married in 1983, have 2 sons. Citations are in the description.